Are you tired of drooling over everyone else's beautiful hand lettering art? I know, they're posting it everywhere. It's videos, it's photos, it's on Facebook, it's on Instagram, on their walls in their beautiful homes. Do you want to make some for yourself? Stick with me, my friend. We've totally got this. Hi there! In case you're new here, I'm Erin, and on this channel I make videos to help people get more creative in their journals and feel less alone in recovery. Today I'm going to start teaching you how to hand letter. I know, we've all seen the beautiful artwork all over the internet. You might have seen some in your friends' homes. In case you don't know what hand lettering is, it's turned into quite the art form. Actually, it's kind of a spin-off of the traditional calligraphy, but rather than using traditional calligraphy strokes and tools, we are now just able to hand letter using plain old pens and pencils and markers. And you can do it without learning any new ways to write. So what we do is we take this, your normal cursive handwriting, and we turn it into a calligraphy look. So some people call it fauxligraphy, some people call it hand lettering. So this series, over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be posting a video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which is different from my channel. I know if you've subscribed to my channel, you're used to getting videos on Thursdays. What I've done is broken down the alphabet. So you'll learn some letters in each of the videos in this series, and you'll give you a day or two in between to practice the letters that I've taught you before we move on to the next ones. You're only going to need a couple of things. You're going to need paper. Either lined paper or graph paper will work. You're going to need either a pen or a marker of some sort. In the video that you're about to see, I use a fine point marker. It's a twin-tipped marker. I think the brand is STAEDTLER. I will post the materials list in the description below. If you would like to download the hand lettering practice sheet that you see me using in the videos, you can get that from my website, and the link will also be down below in the description. Also, I wanted to just give you a quick note. Because of the lighting in the video, you can't actually see, but on the practice lettering sheet that I'm using, there is a midline between the upper and lower lines that I'm using, and it is a kind of a pink line, and it's faint, so that it doesn't interrupt your practice, but it is there, you just can't see it in the video. Okay, enough yapping, let's get right to it. Fauxligraphy or hand lettering is using your own cursive writing style, and then you just alter some of the lines on each letter that you write to make it look as though the tool that you used has gotten wider and narrower, like a calligraphy pen does. So the only thing you really need to remember is you're going to thicken the downstrokes. So as you're writing each letter, think about which direction you're going as you write each letter. You can see here that I'm writing the letter in its entirety before I go back in to thicken up the downstrokes. The reason that I do this is because if I write the letter in its entirety first, I can then decide which side of the downstroke I want to actually thicken. Because you have that option. And you'll see when I go into writing a full word where we connect the letters, where that will be really quite beneficial. Because if the spacing on your letters is a little wonky here or there, you can actually correct that with the downstrokes when you thicken them. Another helpful tip that I learned early on when I started hand lettering was to lift my pen or marker from the page often. So you're almost breaking most letters down into more than one stroke. I know when you write cursive, you tend to just write without picking up the pen, and that's kind of the whole point of cursive writing. But when we're hand lettering, if you pick up the pen or a marker in between each kind of part of the letter, you'll be able to reposition and adjust how the letter looks as you're actually writing the letter before it's completed. You'll see here as I'm connecting the letters, I don't actually connect all of them right away. Sometimes I will stop my stroke, start the next letter, and then connect the letters after I'm finished thickening the downstrokes in a way that makes it make more sense and that makes it visually appealing to me. There you have it. That's all there is to it. The letters A through D. Join me for the next video where we'll do letters E through I, and when it's ready for you to watch, you'll find it right there. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get a notification every single time I upload a new video. Take care. See you next time, friend.